Yes, so this is Tech Beauty. Right here with me, I have Coco Beauty. Coco Beauty. She's my hairstylist for the day. Yes, as you can see, the big, I don't know what to call this. You see, this granite. We call it granite hair. Okay, so this is how we do the process. This is the process. So I will drop this. My hairstylist. She's very nice, and she's my teacher as well. All those okoko una they say I style on people. I always say I learn, I go for upgrade, I go for training. She is my teacher and she is very good. If you visit her Instagram, she's the one doing all those celebrity okoko, Mercy Johnson. If you visit her Instagram, Mercy Johnson, all those Edo Bride okoko you see on Mercy Johnson, more than 2 years, 3 years now. This my I can say she is my oga for traditional bridal hair. Anything traditional, anything. You see this one, this style now, I named this style village hairstyle because I don't even know the name. I don't know the particular name. So I just want to carry you people along with me so that you'll see how we achieve it. I said to myself, this is my birthday photo shoot. I don't really know what to do. I just want to do something different. I don't want to do let me just go for something different. So I message her on Instagram. I call her and she's very, very willing to support me, to help me, to teach me anything I want to learn. Yes, she has been my teacher since 2 years now. I started doing WhatsApp class with her until I traveled down to Nigeria to go and see her one-on-one. Behold, seeing her one-on-one, I did not regret it at all. She is so supportive. She's so helpful. She's very, very, she's so humble. In fact, all my vendors, all my teachers I met, this, my upgrade training I went few time ago, because many people did not know that I traveled to Nigeria. In fact, all of them, they are God sent. They are very good people. They are very, very good people. This is hair. This is Okoko Beauty. Okoko Beauty. She's the one styling my hair now. After she finished, then, they suggest for me to book for makeup artist to make up my face. Me, I'm a makeup artist. I said to myself, it's not about the money. I don't know if I will be comfortable. I know how I do my makeup. I don't like too much makeup. I don't like too much makeup. I don't like loud makeup. They say proper way. I know my way out. So I tell them I'm going to do the makeup. I don't want you to be in a rush. And I don't want this video to be too large. After we finish I hope you are learning. The reason I record all these things, in case I want to, like this particular hair, if someone wants to do it, I have the idea, as you can see. I have the idea. That is how life is. You understand? I record it for the sake of, so that we will learn together. This thing I upload now, not everybody will bring it out on social media. They will keep the video private to themselves. Because all these my vendors, all these my teachers, I paid them to come and teach me. So this day was the day 4 of my training. Then I tell her, because I went for upgrades of Okoko. If you visit my Instagram, Tech Beauty, you will see that there is a big difference in my Okoko, and she really showed me new pattern. I always say to people, like tailor, you will see each year different design, different style, different. So you have to go for upgrade class. So that is the reason my teacher, she just opened up for me, showed me all the secrets, the upgrade class. So that bag beside me, in there, I just leave all my makeup products there. Because when I was about traveling to Nigeria, I said to myself, I will not take with me any makeup product. So let me go and buy everything I need in Nigeria. So getting to Nigeria, then I just visit trade fair. just buy some makeup products because I was having different model. I was having different model in my house. I tell them to come. I do their makeup, I do their gele, I do their makeup, I do their cocoa. So these are the makeup products I use for all my model. And I said to myself, it's my turn to let me just do my photo shoot, my 43 birthday photo shoot. And this is my second outfit. The first outfit, I was with my trainer, the boy that upgrade me how to tie gele. His name is Power Gele. If I want to drop that video, I will still demonstrate his name there. I will demonstrate his name there so that you can see Power Gele. He came all the way from Warri to come and meet me in my house in Lagos. Yes, so I was so happy meeting them one-on-one. These people already have online class, WhatsApp class with them already before I book a one-to-one class with them. And I insist that every one of us, they will come to my location. And I was super excited. In fact, the days I spent with them, oh God, we really have fun. And these people, they have a lot of patience. They are professional. These are the people that do hair for celebrity. If you want to make sure, there was a wedding of is it Davido? Or, so this, my hair stylist, she was the one that do all those celebrity, anything traditional hair style. If you want to do Igbo hair, because this my hairstyle, he said is Igbo people, they use it on their traditional marriage in case if they don't want to use the full lace wig hair. So some of them use this particular style. So now she is done plaiting the hair. Now she's applying this gel. She's applying gel on my hair. Sorry, it's not easy to do explanation, my people. So anything explanation, just bear with me. It's not easy at all. So I was having a lot of people around me, and they are the people I was having around me, they are so lovely people. This is the final. So the
Dead baby, what's up?
W, the crafty producer.
Woo, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we've got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we've got the beauty right. Yeah. Don't give it a touch, don't give it a